I fear I am paddling against the tide, but with the wind. Yep, we're against the tide, and it is flowing. Morning. Man after my own heart, because there's no way it's still morning. Other than the definition of morning is when you get up and start the day. Hi, Judd here. I don't know if this is taking or not, because I'm out in the middle of the Chaz. I haven't seen anything as far as life goes. Saw a couple of wood ducks, saw a blue heron. I mean, no manatees and not much else. Every here and there you see a single bird or a pair of wood ducks. Saw one pair of wood ducks. But I'm now paddling back, and I think I'm paddling against the tide. But it is beautiful out here. So I don't know if this went up or not, but maybe it did. If it did, happy day to you. Look at that, a cormorant or a anhinga. I think it's cormorant. Not sure. But he's pretty chill. Oh, two of them. Look at that, huh? Hello. I think they're just resting because they're not drying. Those are the snake birds. They go diving into the water, swim around underwater like darts, catching fish. Then come up and dry off their wings because they don't have oil on their wings like a duck, so the water absorbs and they got to come up and dry off. So when they go in, they'd better come up with a meal. Hello, guys. Now this right here on my right is the entrance to the crack, which is another mile or so up that side creek. And then up there where the boats are coming out, that's that little lagoon where the manatees usually hang out. Behind me is 9 miles to the Gulf, which I wouldn't even attempt paddling. I don't know. I wouldn't last that long. Last time I came up here, you couldn't get through. It was so low. The water level was so low. But it looks good now, because I mean, I'd be seeing rocks already. I'm not going to go up to the crack, but just go into this little inlet here. Yeah, we had to get out and carry our boats over this section. Oh, look at that tree. That's your red cedar. That twisted growth it has. Probably has something to do with structural integrity. Trying to get rid of the kids or what?
Right, try it.
This is more like marshland out here. See the flow coming out of here. The head of this is the spring called the crack. Oh man, much easier going with the flow. This is nice with the flow. Yeah, this is a much more considerate boater. They ain't looking in the water. If there were any manatees in there, they'd be looking in the water. I think that's a nice example there of your ball moss, which is related to your Spanish moss. It's another type of thing that grows on the dead trees. Oh man. Must be doggy day. What's the bitches when the dog jumps out of the boat? That's not a problem, but trying to get them back in, that's a problem. This isn't too bad along the edges here. Oh, there we go. Hello. Beautiful. Soaring bird. Pair of them. Soaring through the skyway. I think they're just having fun. Oh, look at that. Look at that, baby. That's the thing that just went out. Guess he changed his mind. Ugh. That must be fun. Look at them all. Look at that. Okay, he's hunting. He's looking for something. Now they're all coming in for a break. This is a tree where they all hang out. Oh, look at that, baby. Howdy doody. Now they hang out on, this is their tree.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, they always hang out here after they finish playing around in the wind currents. Well, look at them all. Oh, oh, baby, right up over me, right up over me. There you go, look at that. Oh, baby, look at that. Nice. Oh. Boom, 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 boom. Not bad for a weekday, man. And they have a pretty good turnout here. Parking lot's near full. Lots of boat rentals. Met a couple from Germany. Ooh. What else we got there?
He's busy over there yakking.
No problem.
I'm gonna put a paddle on you, know him?
I know.
Oh, baby.
Did you have fun out there?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah?
Disappointed, though. No manatees, but
Sorry about that.
but I did have... Oh, thank you. Oh, that's nice.
Oh, that was a little help.
That's nice.